मैं तैर सकता हूँ। I can swim. I can swim. क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? वह गाना गा सकती है। She can sing. She can sing. मैं तुम्हें देख सकता हूँ। I can see you. I can see you. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Can I come in? Can I come in? क्या तुम दरवाजा खोल सकते हो? Can you open the door? Can you open the door? मैं ये काम कर सकता हूँ। I can do this work. I can do this work. क्या तुम अंग्रेजी बोल सकते हो? Can you speak English? Can you speak English? मैं ये समझ नहीं सकता। I cannot understand this. I cannot understand this. क्या तुम मुझे कॉल कर सकते हो? Can you call me? Can you call me? क्या तुम मेरी मदद कर सकते थे? Could you help me? Could you help me? जब मैं छोटा था, मैं दौड़ सकता था। I could run when I was young. I could run when I was young. क्या मैं आपसे बात कर सकता था? Could I talk to you? Could I talk to you? वह पहले अच्छा गा सकता था। He could sing well before. He could sing well before. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? May I come in? May I come in? वह आ जा सकता है। He may come today. He may come today. तुम्हें देर हो सकती है। You may be late. You may be late. भगवान तुम्हारी मदद करें। May God help you. May God help you. शायद वह आए। He might come. He might come. मुझे देर हो सकती है। I might be late. I might be late. वह ये कर सकता है। He might do this. He might do this. तुम्हें सच बोलना चाहिए। You must tell the truth. You must tell the truth. मुझे अब जाना ही होगा। I must go now. I must go now. उसे नियम मानने होंगे। He must follow the rules. He must follow the rules. हमें समय पर पहुंचना चाहिए। We must reach on time. We must reach on time. मुझे काम करना है। I have to work. I have to work. उसे स्कूल जाना है। He has to go to school. He has to go to school. हमें जल्दी उठना है। We have to wake up early. We have to wake up early. मुझे ये करना पड़ा। I had to do this. I had to do this. उसे वहां जाना पड़ा। He had to go there. He had to go there. तुम्हें पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए। You should study. You should study. हमें अपने माता पिता का सम्मान करना चाहिए। We should respect our parents. We should respect our parents. तुम्हें सच बोलना चाहिए। You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth. उसे डॉक्टर के पास जाना चाहिए। He should go to a doctor. He should go to a doctor. तुम्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए। You ought to work hard. You ought to work hard. हमें नियमों का पालन करना चाहिए। We ought to follow the rules. We ought to follow the rules. मैं कल आऊंगा। I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. वह तुम्हारी मदद करेगा। He will help you. He will help you. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? मैं ये काम करूंगा। I will do this work. I will do this work. क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे? Would you help me? Would you help me? वह बचपन में खेलता था। He would play in childhood. He would play in childhood. क्या आप दरवाजा बंद करेंगे? Would you close the door? Would you close the door? तुम्हें आने की जरूरत है। You need to come. You need to come. तुम्हें चिंता करने की जरूरत नहीं है। You need not worry. You need not worry. मुझे ये करने की जरूरत है। I need to do this. I need to do this. वह सच बोलने की हिम्मत करता है। He does speak the truth. He does speak the truth. क्या मैं यहाँ बैठ सकता हूँ? May I sit here? May I sit here? तुम ये कर सकते हो। You can do this. You can do this. तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए। You should do this. You should do this. मुझे जाना होगा। I must go. I must go. वह आ सकता है। He may come. He may come. मैं तुम्हारी मदद करूँगा। I will help you. I will help you. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? तुम बेहतर कर सकते थे। You could do better. You could do better. शायद वह घर पर हो। He might be at home. He might be at home. तुम्हें यह नहीं करना चाहिए। You should not do this. You should not do this. हमें इंतजार करना होगा। We will have to wait. We will have to wait. क्या मैं पानी पी सकता हूँ? Can I drink water? Can I drink water? तुम्हें सच बोलना होगा। You will have to tell the truth. You will have to tell the truth. वह जीत सकता है। He can win. He can win. हमें अब जाना चाहिए। We should go now. We should go now. मैं ये कर सकता था। I could do this. I could do this. क्या तुम ये कर सकते हो? Can you do this? Can you do this? वह देर से आ सकता है। He may come late. He may come late. मुझे जल्दी उठना होगा। I will have to wake up early. I will have to wake up early. क्या आप मेरी मदद करेंगे? Would you help me? Would you help me? तुम्हें मेहनत करनी चाहिए। You should work hard. You should work hard.